Welcome to video lecture series. Yes, today we will discuss about our topic is in 3D printing for space components. And it is before we going to see about this topic, we know about how the difference between the additive manufacturing method and our traditional manufacturing method. Here, the additive manufacturing method, it will be using of some additive prototype product before we go into that some designs of the particular component. But in the traditional manufacturing method, there is a lot of method. It is in conventional machining and unconventional machining method. So in the conventional machining method, there is a straight contact between the tool and workpiece. In unconventional machining method, there is a no contact between the tool and workpiece. Yo. So this is the CAD. So it is invented in the year of 1984 is the Groovers and Jimmers. It's the technology, it is the use of a computer system to assist in the creation, modification, analysis, optimization of the design. So in this diagram is represent is the 2D CAD drawing. And after that it will be converted is into the 3D CAD type. And there is a lot of terminology used relating CAD method is first of all it is a geometric model, and it goes to the process planning, and then it goes to the NC part programming and the draft documentation, inspection, and final one is packing. And this is the main difference between the CAD drafting and CAD design or modeling. Of the first point, it is in a CAD drafting is a after analysis is performed on the geometric model, and CAD modeling is before analysis performed to the geometric model. And the dimension is shown in the computer aided drawing are safe, and it provides the dimensions which may or may be safe. This is generally a 2D drawing, and this is a 2D drawing with a 3D model, and it means basically for conveying the production design, and the model is used for a design analysis. And another one difference is between this is already created is a CAD drafting, and model is actually developed from the scratch with a different approximations. This is the some tutorial of the CAD is a circle, is a hexagonal bolt and strain and isometric view. And component of the CAD system is in a hardware and software oriented. Its hardware is in a computing machine, data storage device, communication device, user input device, user output device, and software it's a focus on the solid modeling, assembly modeling, molten simulation, and finite element analysis. And another hardware components of 3D printing is a mouse, space ball, is a data tablet with a puck and keyboard, and output devices are a platter, color laser printer, and laser display. And the software component is a CAD software is almost so widely used is an example of design geometry in the C++, basic Java, and COBOL, and other software, etc. In CAD software, it is upon the technology used is in a mechanical part drawing as a printed circuit board design layout and characterography. And basic 3D drawing is in a sculpted surfaces and a 3D solid modeling and engineering analysis. In design process, it is in the flow chart will be replicated of the design recognition of the need and the definition problem, synthesis and analysis and optimization, evaluation, presentation, and it is the change the direction and can design the improvement and design the impossibles. These are the geometric modeling with developing the representation of the design, and geometric model is of the fundamental part of all CAD model. And it's a many applications is the geometric model is a mass property calculation and mechanism analysis and finite element modeling and NC programming. And this geometric modeling it's include completeness of the part representation. It's just really easy to use by designers and the rendering capabilities. And geometric modeling approaches are the type of is basically three type is the CAD systems. It's include in wireframe modeling, surface modeling, and solid modeling. And this is the example of the wireframe modeling and surface modeling. So in comparing with this type of modeling, we almost use as a solid prototype modeling because it is some type of product will be having the pure fundamental relation, and pure we can able to see about the pure decision relations. These are the some examples of the layers cut out of the CAD model simulation. This is the final output of the solid modeling simulation is using the software. And CAD system is comprising is architecture is an hardware and software, and both using the data and human knowledge and activity. These are the some benefits of the CAD. It is an automation using 3D visualization, and it is a no paperwork and shorter preparing time for a drawing, and a reduce man requirement.